Okay friends, it's time to get started on replacing our rear tail lamp assembly. The process will be the same for either side of the vehicle. To start removing it from the vehicle, you need to have your tailgate down. Once it's down, look along the side of the vehicle that you're going to be replacing. You're going to find some rubber plugs. We're going to carefully try to pull these out of here. Don't damage them because we will be reusing them. We'll just give that a quick inspection, make sure it's still soft and pliable. Once you have all of the protective plugs out, you're going to be looking for the 8mm headed bolt that's located directly behind it. Remove all three. Once you have all of your mounting bolts out of the area, we're going to continue by removing the tail lamp from the body of the vehicle. To do that, you need to pull this straight back. To easily remove it, we'll use a plastic trim tool. You want to use something plastic so you don't damage your paint. Now behind that, you're going to find that you have two electrical harnesses with bulbs. To remove each of these, we're going to grab onto it, turn it counterclockwise to release it from the lamp assembly. Once you remove it, inspect the bulb. Make sure it's still in good working order. It doesn't look burnt or damaged in any way. Okay friends, now it's time to install our tail lamp assembly. Before we do, let's have a look at the back side. You have the two ports for your bulbs. You also have these areas. Those two areas need to fit into the body of the vehicle. Let's keep that in mind as we continue our installation. Let's take the lower brown socket and put it into the lower hole in the assembly. Line it up. Turn it clockwise to lock it in. Now it's time for the top green connector. Same thing, line it up, twist it clockwise, lock it in. Now we're going to take these prongs right here and slide them into their corresponding holes. Once you have it in proper position, go ahead and start in all of your mounting bolts. We're not going to tighten any of them until each of them are fully started into the vehicle. Let's tighten them up. Now it's time to install our rubber plugs. Shove it right in there. Make sure it's secure so it keeps water from making its way into this area. Now you just want to test the lamp assembly and make sure it's functioning properly. Thanks for watching.